Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am going to take part 2 of grammar topic direct and indirect for both the classes 9th and 10th. Here I am going to write some examples in order to clear you how in third rule how can we change direct and indirect. The first one is, dear students, Rashid said to me, I will help you. The second one, he said the cricket. Dear students, I had already told you the part which is in repeated and inverted commas, it is called a repeated speech. And dear students, the first part is called a repeating verb. It is repeating verb, first part, and the part in inverted commas is called the repeated speech. Dear students, you see here, Rashid is subject and repeating verb, and me is object. In the second one, there is only the subject is given, dear students. Object is not visible in the second one. Dear students, you must remember, if the repeating verb is in past simple, the tense of repeated speech, how you can change the tense, dear students, in repeated speech. If the rule, dear student, that you must know, if the past simple is used in repeating verb, past simple, here it is used, dear students. Now said is given here, it is the past of see or sees, is present simple, present, and can be changed to past said. Past participle is also, dear students, said. It is the first rule. If the past simple is used in repeating verb, the tense of repeated speech can be changed into its opposite tense. Dear students, assume you got tenses must tenses must opposite tense must change. If it is given in present simple, dear students, repeated speech, it can be changed into past simple. If it is given, dear students, present continuous, it can be changed into past continuous. Dear students, if it is given in present perfect tense, it can be changed into past perfect tense. If it is given, dear students, past simple, it can be changed into also past perfect. Dear students, if it is given past continuous, it can be changed into past perfect continuous. If it is given past perfect in this repeated speech, that remains unchanged, dear students. Now you must see here, dear students, here it is the first one, it is in the present simple. In the second one, the repeated speech is in the present simple. In the present simple, dear students, we get the formula in the repeated speech as present simple osmans, which is an interest opposite tense must change. Present simple. Indirect must change. Indirect must, dear students, change in its opposite tense must, past simple must. Present simple can be changed into past simple. Here the verb is will, dear students. In the second sentence, the verb in repeated speech is play. And I can write here, it is not the will and play can be used. Some other verbs can be there, or is can be used. Yes, means am, are, or any other verb. Present simple can be changed to past simple. The second form of will is dear students would. The second form of play is played. Dear students is and am. The second form is was, and the second form of are is while. Dear students, now you see here, you must remember when it is followed by an object. In the first one, subject is followed by an object. Then we change said into told, dear students. Here object as, when the object is given, when it is followed by an object reporting verb, then we change said into told. If it is in the second sentence, it is not followed, the object is not given, then we don't change said, dear students. Now you see. And the third point, dear students, you must remember how reporting verb and reported speech, how you can join them, both these parts, dear students. You have to use conjunction. First you have to remove the commas, then you have to use the conjunction that. Rashid, dear students, Rashid. Here it is followed by an object. We can change, dear students, we can change said into told. Rashid told me. Then we have to remove the preposition here, dear students. It is not used with this word told. The preposition is not used. After that, you have to use conjunction that. Here it begins with I. I can be changed according to the subject. I and we, dear students. These are the words of Rashid. Instead of Rashid, we can use here he. I can be changed, dear students. He. And the second form of will is, dear students, would, that he would help. Dear students, don't be confused here that you refers to object here, dear students. It refers to object. The object that is given here, we write in place of you here. He would help me, dear students. Now you see the second one. When it is not followed by an object, we don't change said. He said. Then we use conjunction that. When reported speech begins with he, she, it, they, we don't change them, dear students. And here it begins with they, we have to write thee here, dear students. That they. And what is the second form of play, dear students? Played. They played cricket. They played cricket. One more example that I can give you, dear students. One more example. If he said to me, I am reading a book. Now you see, in the first three sentences, present simple is used in reported speech. Now you see, there is a quite different, the tense is, each tense is used in reported speech. In the third one, it is called present continuous, dear students. Present continuous. If you, dear students, see use of am, is, are, and verb plus ing, it is called, dear students, present continuous. Present continuous. When you are going to change direct into indirect, you see, dear students, that this present continuous can be changed into past continuous. It is past continuous must change. You see, am is you guess was this much change. You see, are you guess where this much change. You see, verb said ing should change something. That is called non-finite verb, dear students. The verb, the ing is used with this verb. It is called a non-finite verb. It can't be changed, and only finite verb. It's called a finite verb. Only finite verb can be changed in this type of tense. Dear students, you see here, he, it is followed by an object that can be changed. Told. He told me, and here is use of I. According to the subject, we can change this, dear students. We change it according to subject. He told me that these are the rules of the subject. We can write the subject here, that he, and am and is can be changed into was, dear students, that he was. And the second verb is with it, that is non-finite. It can't be changed, that he was reading a book. Thank you.